Guys, welcome back. This is your girl Stacy-Lee on Vibes TV. Today we're in the kitchen. We'll be doing fritters and callaloo. I want to say big up to one of my subscribers. I got some sponsor with some all-purpose flour. So this is the all-purpose flour that I got some sponsor from one of my subscribers, and some vegetable oil. So I just want to say thanks for the love, thanks for the support. Big up my subscriber. She doesn't want her name to be on camera, and we really appreciate whatever we get from my kitchen. Big up. So this morning we'll be doing fritters and callaloo. So let's get straight into it. Big up Madarine behind the camera. Madarine, big up yourself. So we're just adding the flour to the bowl. And you put the amount of flour that you want to use for your household. So we're just gonna add some water to it. Just adding some water to it to get the flour all mixed up. So okay guys, so we're trying to get the flour all done. So we're trying to get all the lump, as much of the lump out of the flour. So look at it. So you don't want it to be too thick, and you also don't want it to be too runny. So just try to get the lump out as much as possible. So here we have the garlic, the sweet pepper, the tomato, the onion, and this is a scallion and some thyme, and the saltfish over here. So we're just gonna add them to the mixture. So we're just gonna add the green onions. This is the thyme, the sweet pepper, the garlic, this is the tomato, and this is the onion. So you try to chop them as fine as possible, so when you're eating you don't get that big lump in your mouth. Alright. And you just mix it in. Look at it. And we're now going to add the saltfish to it. So you try to get the saltfish small too, and you add that to it, and you mix it in. Alright, so we have a little Goya. We're not going to put too much of the Goya in it because the saltfish have a little salt in it, but not too salty. So you just put in a little Goya to give the flour some taste. Just a little. And this is the black pepper that we're adding to it. And you just mix it in. And you just mix this all in together. So this should be good. So just adding the mixture to the oil. Alright, so just gonna allow these to fry. Okay guys, so we're gonna get the pot ready for the callaloo. Adding some organic coconut oil to it. already have our season pre-cut. So this is the green onion, tomato, onion, and the sweet pepper with garlic. So we're just going to add it to the pot. And we're just going to allow this to cook down a little. Alright, let's check in over here on the fritters. So this fritters is fried, so that's the nice little golden brown color that it's supposed to have. Let's flip it. So we're just allowing both sides to fry. This one is all fried. So we take this one out. So this is the nice golden brown color that it's supposed to have when it is fried. Okay guys, so we add the saltfish to the pot, and we're now going to add the callaloo. And this is the Jamaican Linstead Market Callaloo. That's the Jamaican Linstead Market Callaloo. So we're also checking in on the fritters. So these are ready. Let's give them a turn. Let's flip them over. The callaloo is over here. So we're just going to allow that to simmer about 2 minutes and we should be finished. Alright, so that's the callaloo and fritters. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is the end product of the callaloo and fritters. And we have some pear, and this is our 100% natural juice. That's our fruit punch juice. So I'm going to now dive into it and tell you what this fritters and callaloo with avocado tastes like. All right. Guys, the fritters, nice. The tomato, the onion, the scallion with the saltfish, it just gives that fritters that nice taste. The callaloo tastes really good. Everything really tastes nice. Let's try the juice. Guys, the juice is so refreshing. Very nice, not too sweet. It's not too fresh. I wish I could share it with you. But since I can't share it with you, I'm going to eat it for you. So guys, remember to like, share, subscribe. Big up yourself. Checking out Stacy-Lee Vibes TV.